10 smallest but deadliest guns for urban survival. In today's world, compact firearms are becoming an essential tool for personal protection, especially in urban environments where discreetness and mobility are paramount. These small guns pack a surprising punch, offering both concealability and power, making them invaluable for anyone focused on urban survival. But don't let their size fool you. These firearms are designed to deliver precision, reliability, and stopping power when it's needed most. Whether you're navigating the crowded streets of a bustling city or preparing for unforeseen emergencies, the right compact firearm can make all the difference. These deadly yet diminutive weapons are built for ease of use and efficient performance, blending modern technology with time-tested design. Ruger LCP. The Ruger LCP is a marvel of engineering that combines extreme compactness with remarkable reliability. Chambered in 380 ACP, this pistol is lightweight and easy to conceal, making it an ideal choice for everyday carry. It weighs a mere 9.6 ounces and measures just 5.16 inches in overall length, fitting comfortably into a pocket or small holster. Despite its tiny size, the LCP doesn't compromise on performance. Its glass-filled nylon frame is rugged yet lightweight, ensuring durability without adding unnecessary bulk. The integrated sights are subtle but effective, allowing for quick target acquisition in close-quarters situations. Ruger has also designed the trigger pull to be smooth and consistent, enhancing accuracy even for shooters with minimal experience. What truly sets the Ruger LCP apart is its practicality. Whether you're carrying it as your primary firearm or as a backup, it's a reliable companion that won't weigh you down. Taurus Model 85. The Taurus Model 85 is a small frame revolver that's as reliable as it is powerful. Chambered in .38 Special, this compact revolver is a favorite among those who value simplicity and dependability. Weighing just over 20 ounces, it's easy to carry and quick to draw, making it a solid choice for self-defense. One of the standout features of the Model 85 is its robust construction. Built from high-quality materials, it can handle a wide range of ammunition, including +P rounds for added stopping power. The rubberized grip offers exceptional comfort and control, even during rapid fire, while the low-profile sights are designed to prevent snagging during a quick draw. This revolver's reliability is legendary, making it an excellent choice for urban survival scenarios where your firearm must function flawlessly every time. The Taurus Model 85's 5-round capacity may seem modest, but its straightforward design ensures that each shot counts. For those who want a no-nonsense firearm that's built to last, the Model 85 is hard to beat. Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 380. The Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 380 is the epitome of modern concealed carry pistols, offering a sleek and innovative design that's perfect for urban environments. Chambered in 380 ACP, this lightweight handgun is compact enough to fit into a pocket or purse without sacrificing firepower. What makes the Bodyguard 380 stand out is its integrated laser sight, which significantly enhances accuracy in low-light conditions. The laser can be easily activated with the push of a button, providing a tactical edge in situations where precision is critical. Its polymer frame and stainless steel barrel ensure durability and resistance to everyday wear, making it a reliable companion for long-term use. The ergonomic design of the Bodyguard 380 ensures a comfortable grip, while its double action-only trigger system offers consistent performance. Whether you're new to firearms or a seasoned shooter, this pistol's intuitive features make it a standout choice for personal defense. Springfield XD-S. The Springfield XD-S is a compact powerhouse that combines portability with serious stopping power. Available in calibers like 9mm and .45 ACP, This single-stack pistol is designed for those who demand reliability and precision in a small package. Its slim profile and lightweight design make it a favorite among concealed carry enthusiasts. One of the key features of the XD-S is its advanced safety mechanisms, including a grip safety and a trigger safety, which work together to prevent accidental discharges. The pistol's fiber optic front sight allows for quick target acquisition, while the textured grip ensures a secure hold, even in stressful situations. Built for performance, the XD-S offers a smooth trigger pull and minimal recoil, allowing for rapid follow-up shots. Its robust construction and corrosion-resistant finish make it suitable for daily carry, ensuring that it performs flawlessly in any environment. For urban survivalists who value power and precision, the Springfield XD-S is an exceptional choice. Beretta Pico. The Beretta Pico is one of the slimmest and lightest semi-automatic pistols on the market, specifically designed for deep concealment. Chambered in 380 ACP, it measures only 18 millimeters in width and weighs a mere 11.5 ounces, making it an ideal choice for discreet urban carry. Its ultra-slim profile ensures that it can fit comfortably in pockets, handbags, or concealed holsters without creating noticeable bulges. What sets the Pico apart is its modularity. The frame and grip are easily interchangeable, allowing you to customize the firearm to fit your preferences or replace components if they wear out. This innovative design ensures long-term usability and adaptability, which is a rarity in small pistols. The Pico also features low-profile sights that can be swapped for tritium night sights, offering versatility for day and night situations. Despite its minimalist design, the Beretta Pico doesn't compromise on reliability. Its snag-free profile ensures smooth drawing from concealment, while its robust stainless steel barrel and slide enhance durability. Seecamp LWS. The Seecamp LWS is a pocket pistol that has earned legendary status among compact firearm enthusiasts. Chambered in 32 ACP, or 380 ACP, it is renowned for its incredibly small size and exceptional craftsmanship. Weighing just 10.5 ounces and measuring a mere 3.25 inches in height, the Seecamp LWS is one of the smallest handguns available, yet it delivers remarkable stopping power for its size. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the Seecamp LWS exudes durability and precision. Its minimalist design includes no external sights, reducing the risk of snagging during a quick draw. While this might seem like a drawback, the pistol is optimized for close quarters engagement, where point and shoot accuracy is critical. Its smooth double-action only trigger ensures consistent performance, even under stress. The Seecamp LWS is perfect for urban survivalists who need a backup firearm or a primary concealed carry option that is virtually undetectable. Its simplicity, reliability, and unmatched compactness make it a valuable tool for self-defense in crowded urban settings. Keltech P3AT. The Keltech P3AT is a pioneer in the realm of ultra-lightweight pistols, offering unmatched portability and ease of use. Chambered in 380 ACP, this semi-automatic handgun weighs just 8.3 ounces and is less than an inch wide, making it an excellent choice for deep concealment. Its polymer frame and stainless steel barrel ensure durability while keeping the weight remarkably low. The P3AT's minimalist design is focused on practicality. Its fixed sights and smooth contours ensure snag-free drawing from a pocket or holster. The trigger pull is deliberately long to enhance safety, especially during concealed carry. Despite its small size, the P3AT is surprisingly accurate at close ranges, making it an effective tool for self-defense in urban environments. One of the key advantages of the Keltech P3AT is its affordability without sacrificing quality. It offers reliable performance and straightforward operation, making it an accessible option for new and experienced shooters alike. Diamondback DB9. The Diamondback DB9 is one of the smallest 9mm pistols on the market, designed specifically for concealed carry and urban survival. Weighing just 11 ounces and with a slim profile of less than an inch wide, it offers the perfect balance of firepower and portability. The DB9's polymer frame is both lightweight and durable, ensuring reliable performance under various conditions. One of the standout features of the DB9 is its striker-fired mechanism, which provides a consistent and crisp trigger pull. The pistol's fixed sights are low profile to prevent snagging during a draw, while the textured grip ensures a secure hold for improved accuracy. Despite its small size, the DB9 offers impressive firepower, accommodating a 6+1 round capacity of 9mm ammunition. The DB9 is designed for simplicity and effectiveness in high-pressure situations. Its sleek design makes it easy to carry discreetly, whether in a pocket, purse, or ankle holster. Kahr CW9. The Kahr CW9 is a compact pistol that combines simplicity, reliability, and power, making it an excellent choice for urban survival. Chambered in 9mm, it features a single stack magazine with a 7+1 capacity, offering a slim profile that's easy to conceal. The CW9's lightweight polymer frame and stainless steel slide ensure durability without unnecessary bulk, weighing in at just 15.8 ounces. The CW9's long, smooth trigger pull is one of its defining features, providing a consistent shooting experience that enhances accuracy under stress. Its low-profile sights are designed for quick target acquisition, while the textured grip ensures a secure hold, even in wet or slippery conditions. The CW9's recoil is manageable, making it suitable for shooters of all experience levels. Built for everyday carry, the Kahr CW9 is a reliable companion in urban environments. Walther P22. The Walther P22 is a versatile and compact handgun that stands out for its ergonomic design and user-friendly features. Chambered in 22R, it is an excellent choice for both novice shooters and seasoned firearm enthusiasts looking for a lightweight option for urban carry. Weighing just 15 ounces, the P22 is easy to handle and ideal for extended training sessions. What makes the P22 particularly appealing is its adjustable backstrap, allowing users to customize the grip for optimal comfort. The ambidextrous controls ensure ease of use for both left and right-handed shooters, while the threaded barrel provides the option to attach a suppressor. These features make the P22 one of the most versatile compact firearms available. The P22's low recoil and exceptional accuracy make it a practical choice for self-defense in urban environments. Its lightweight design ensures easy concealment, while its reliability and intuitive operation make it a dependable tool for high-stress situations.